Windows has evolved into a powerhouse for productivity, and yet many of its best tools remain hidden in plain sight. Unlocking these features can transform how you interact with your system. Today, we'll dive into advanced Windows settings designed to give you more control, efficiency, and insight than ever before. Think your Windows desktop is just a backdrop? Think again. Advanced dynamic wallpapers now not only beautify your screen but can adapt based on time, weather, or even your system's performance. This is just one way Windows helps transform data into something visually compelling. Switching between tasks can be clunky, but with virtual desktops, you can create entirely separate workspaces in seconds. Seamlessly transition between personal projects, work presentations, and entertainment zones, all while keeping everything organized and distraction-free. Did you know Windows has a built-in clipboard history tool? By pressing Win+V, you can access, pin, and manage previously copied content. It's like having a digital notebook, ready to assist whenever you need repeated snippets or detailed text blocks. Focus Assist is a game changer for deep work. It silences notifications and customizes priorities, creating an environment of uninterrupted concentration. With customizable features, you can ensure that only essential alerts come through when you're in the zone. Ever wonder how experts troubleshoot systems so quickly? The secret lies in Event Viewer. This tool provides granular details on system errors, logs, and performance insights. With the right knowledge, it's like having a diagnostic toolkit for your entire computer. File Explorer has grown smarter, offering seamless tab navigation. Finally, you can manage folders like browser windows, dragging and dropping between tabs with ease. This deceptively simple upgrade completely reinvents file organization for power users. Next up, Microsoft Power Automate. This tool builds custom workflows, automating repetitive tasks like renaming batches of files or integrating apps. Windows has made automation accessible, even for users with zero coding knowledge, a giant leap for efficiency. Windows Terminal consolidates command line utilities into one powerful space. Whether you're working with PowerShell, Command Prompt, or WSL, it offers smooth transitions, customizable themes, and productive shortcuts, making it an essential for system admins and tech enthusiasts alike. Advanced Windows features empower users to take control over their workflow and systems. Tools like virtual desktops, clipboard history, and even Power Automate redefine what's possible with a single operating system. Dive into this toolkit and watch your productivity soar to new heights.